Hi everyone, I'm Candy from Susan's family. Today, I'll teach you how to make the Sinostyle hairclip from our Chinese aesthetic series. There are 4 styles in total. For the electronic tutorial, you can search for susud.com on website. This product consists of the main part, facial features, and accessories. Let's start with the crocheting, then we'll proceed to the assembly. First, let's learn the main part. All 4 styles use the same main part. We'll start with the foundation chain. Crochet in rounds counterclockwise. The stitches including single crochets, SC2 in 1, chains and slip stitches. Now, watch me demonstrate. Before we start crocheting, let's learn the proper posture. For specific yarn details, color schemes and hook sizes, please refer to the detail page and the chart. Begin with 14 chains. Once completed, let's move on to the first round. Work a beginning chain. The beginning chain doesn't count as a stitch. Then, start from the second to last chain. Pick up the top loop of the chain. Crochet a single crochet. In the following 12 loops, make a single crochet for each. Now, you're at the last chain. Pick up the top loop. Crochet 3 single crochets. One, 2, 3. Rotate the piece. Pick up the remaining 2 strands on the chain. That's where you made the single crochet. Crochet a single crochet. Make sure not to insert into these 3 single crochets. While crocheting, place the starting tail above the hook. Weave in as you go. Continue crocheting single crochets into the remaining strands on the other side. Align these single crochets with the other side. Crochet 2 single crochets. Once done, slip stitch into the first stitch. The slip stitch doesn't count as a stitch. Tighten it up. To avoid making extra stitches, cut off excess yarn tail. And the first round is done. Now, let's work the second round. Start with a beginning chain. The beginning chain doesn't count as a stitch. Make sure to tighten it. Work a SC2 in 1 into the stitch where you made the slip stitch. It means making 2 single crochets into the same stitch. 1, 2, SC2 in 1 is done. In the following 12 stitches, make a single crochet for each. Once done, on these 3 stitches on the left, work a SC2 in 1 for each. Rotate the piece. In the following 12 stitches, make a single crochet for each. On the last 2 stitches, work a SC2 in 1 for each. Finally, slip stitch into the first stitch. Pull tight. Remember to pull tight all slip stitches. I won't mention it again, and the second round is done. For round 3 and 4, follow the chart to crochet. Remember each round begins with a chain and ends with a slip stitch. Neither the chain nor the slip stitch counts as a stitch. Once finished, chain 1. Leave a 5 cm tail before cutting. The side facing us is the right side. Weave in ends on the wrong side. And the main part is done.